Kalapurnam General Hospital documentary. State-of-the-art 100-bed Kalapurnam General Hospital is situated in village Khichan of Phalodi Tehsil of Jodhpur district, Rajasthan, situated in Thar area of western Rajasthan. It is just 6 kilometers from Phalodi town. Khichan village is famous for its exotic havelis and also for the winter home of Siberian crane, locally known as kurza. Hospital is situated at the outskirts of Khichan village, away from populated area with lots of land around. This hospital is run under the umbrella of Human Benefit Services Trust, Jodhpur, popularly known as HBS Trust. HBS Trust is a non-profit organization founded by Dr. Shanti Jain in year 1982 with the mission to promote sustainable development of health and education at Phalodi Khichan region in the Thar area of rural Rajasthan. HBS Trust received the 80 acres of land through the generous donation by late Shri Manamalji Gulecha and his family of Khichan village at present in Madras. In the year 2001, HBS started its 100-bed Kalapurna General Hospital in donated land HBS complex. Reception area of hospital is most modern, equipped with computers with well-planned program required for the hospital. All the data are computerized. Hospital offers the services of emergency around the clock. And routine checkups, and has fully operational departments of medicine, surgery, gynecology, pediatrics and ophthalmology, along with diagnostic services of laboratories, dentistry, we established our ophthalmic department in collaboration with Sight Savers International of UK, Bombay branch. Sight Savers International provided all the required equipments both for outdoor and also for ophthalmic operation theatre. Hospital has well-equipped general OT furnished with OT tables, lights, anesthesia machines, monitors, ventilators, microscope, etc. It allows to perform variety of surgeries. Hospital also has a well-equipped separate OT for ophthalmic problems furnished with operating table, operating microscope and feco-emulsification machine. Besides, there are 2 minor theatres, one for gynobs problems and other for emergency and minor problems requires dressing, etc. Hospital covers an immediate population of more than 4.3 lakhs of Phalodi Tehsil. HBS has fully equipped dialysis center. Center was started in collaboration with Davita, USA. They provided all the required equipments, technology and trainers to train our doctors, technicians and nursing staff. Sterilizer room well equipped with sterilizer and does all the sterilization of instruments, clothes, solutions required for the entire major, minor and IOT. Hospital has 2 isolation wards and 1 well-equipped ICCU. Hospital has 5 general wards and 6 specialized wards. All wards are well-equipped with adjustable beds, side drawer tables, easily sanitized and hydraulic adjustable foot table. All wards are equipped with nursing station coolers and hot water supply. Three special wards are equipped with air conditioners, while other 3 are furnished with water coolers. Hospital has well-planned and well-equipped labor room attached to minor OT and a room for newly born baby. Hospital provides special services of having NICU comprising of the facilities like warmers, phototherapy, ventilators, incubators, monitors, etc. to care of newborn babies, premature and sick babies suffering from jaundice. Hospital has well-planned and equipped diagnostic wing which includes fully equipped laboratory with automated biochemistry, hematology equipment, X-ray lab with 500 mA X-ray machine and a mobile X-ray unit. Modern model of GE ultrasound machine. HBS started its mammography unit with the machine donated by Meena Foundation USA. The machine is used for early detection of breast cancer. This cancer is treatable if it is recognized in its early stage of development. Blood bank at the HBS complex is the only source of blood provider required by mothers, infants, patients suffering from chronic ailments in Phalodi Tehsil. Blood bank showing doctor's examination hall, bleeding room, refreshment room, laboratories and record room. We received most of the furniture and equipments from USA with the courtesy of IHBS and Share and Care Foundation, New Jersey. HBS enjoy the satisfaction of saving lives of many individuals. Minor OT helps in emergency and accidental cases. Hospital also has an administrative block. To strengthen the HBS relief of providing constant facilities to the underserved village at the doorstep, we have 2 well-furnished functional clinics. There is a well-equipped laundry room in-house with washer and dryer. For everyday need of the hospital, we have water storage tank which supplies water to cafeteria, dining place, bungalows, hostel, school and garden. Complex has 2 tube wells and 82 kVA generator set. A mobile medical unit equipped with all the general examination, X-ray, ECG, diagnostic laboratory and automated equipments required, instruments and medicines, etc. The mobile medical unit is also fabricated with a visual display set to showcase few of the community awareness and education program. Hospital has 2 well-equipped ambulances to transport patients. Cafeteria meals are provided with subsidized rate to all the users, which include staff, patients and their attendant and guests. For the benefit of patients, there is a pharmacy which is run independently. This pharmacy provides all the machine prescribed by doctors on reasonable rates. There is a conference hall for variety of activities. Beside the hospital, HBS complex also serves as home to the staff members and patients' attendants. There are couples of hostel meant for nursing and other staff of hospital. There is a 2-floor hostel for attendants with 7 rooms on either floor. Road and patients' attendant hostel is built by support provided by Shri Santosh Ji Bagrodia, former Member of Parliament. For doctors, there are 3 apartments and 2 bungalows. Besides general hospital services, we provided extensive services to women and children both in hospital and in fields via camps, through surveys and run transportation facilities for antenatal care, immunization, vaccination camps for children. HBS funds all their activities from the receipt from payments on affordable price, donation, grants and contribution.